Hi everyone, this is Dr. Badal here. When we start preparing for our postgraduate entrance examination, the first question that comes to our mind is which coaching to prefer. Now, the two educational platforms that are easily accessible for everyone everywhere are Marrow and PrepLadder. Both the platforms are excellent and this is where the confusion begins. Which one to choose? So, in this video, I am going to do a fact-based comparison of both the apps so that by the end of the video, it becomes easy for you to choose what you need. And I will also share my personal opinion on this. And if you need complete information about NEET PG entrance examination, there will be a link in the description. You can visit that. So let's move to point number one. The first thing we do is to install the app. On Play Store, Marrow has around 5 lakhs downloads and 4.6 rating, which is actually a very good rating. And PrepLadder has more than 1 lakh downloads with a rating of 4.4, which is also a good rating. Now, talking about the video, both the apps have excellent video quality. Now, Marrow claims to have 720 plus hours of videos, while on PrepLadder app there are 1100 plus hours of videos, including the previous year paper discussion. Talking selectively about the lecture videos, both the apps have around same watch time. But within those limited watch time, Marrow provides more detailed and conceptual videos, and these videos can also be used for your professional examinations. While PrepLadder tries to give limited, factual and concise videos mainly focusing on entrance examinations. As their slogan says, "Padho utna chahiye jitna." Now, comparing the faculties, both the apps have excellent teaching faculties. All the teachers try to provide the best material they can. I will say the teaching should never be the point of comparison, but at the end of the day, we have to choose only one. So, talking about the nationwide famous teachers for particular subjects, Marrow has around 13 popular teachers, and according to the subject they teach, they carry a weightage of 233 questions out of 300 or 932 marks out of 1200 in NEET PG entrance examination. While PrepLadder has around 9 such popular teachers carrying weightage of around 170 questions or 708 marks. Now, talking about the question bank, Marrow claims to have around 18,500 questions. PrepLadder did not provide any such figure, but I did some calculation and found that PrepLadder also has around 15,000 questions. Based on many interviews of toppers, Marrow QBank is most popular one. Talking about the grand test, both the apps have more than 20 grand tests per year. On Marrow, around 75% of the grand tests are NEET PG oriented and rest all are AIMS PG oriented. While on PrepLadder, only 40 to 45% of the grand tests are NEET PG oriented. Rest they also have grand test for AIMS PG, JIPMER and PGI. If you want to prepare within short period of time, both the application provide additional feature for that. Marrow named it as intern mode while PrepLadder says rapid revision. Now Marrow says that if an intern gives 4 hours a day for 100 days, he can complete the syllabus in 100 days. While on rapid revision, PrepLadder has provided 165 plus hours of videos. Now here is the catch. Marrow has filtered the videos and you have to watch only those videos which are very important, and the remaining videos have been converted into questions. So by solving questions that topics will be covered. While PrepLadder on rapid revision has made whole new videos and tried to cover all the important topics point to point in limited period of time. So in intern mode, Marrow tries to cover complete syllabus while on rapid revision, PrepLadder covered only important topics. And as the name suggests, rapid revision, it is for revision. So it is more useful if you have read the syllabus at least once. Talking about the strike rate, PrepLadder says there were 240 questions asked this year in NEET PG 2020 only from the rapid revision, but they did not provide any proof of that. While Marrow says there were 244 questions from their question bank and videos, and they have also provided the screenshot of that. I will give link to it in the description, you can check that out. Now, for reading high-yielding topics quickly, both the platforms have additional feature. Marrow named it as Pearl, while PrepLadder named it as Treasure. There are more than 2400 pearls on Marrow and which are completely free for all the users, while PrepLadder has more than 1300 treasure on their app, but you have to pay and subscribe to PrepLadder to unlock all the treasures. I think I tried to bring forward all the facts that were essential for you to choose one of these two. On your screen, you can see the poll that was held on Telegram. More than 4,000 students have voted, and we can see that Marrow has more popularity. Now, talking about my personal opinion, nowadays the question pattern has been changed in NEET PG, and more clinical and concept oriented questions have been asked this year. So, amongst these two, for me, Marrow will be a better option. I will try to give links to all the things I have said in this video in the description box, and tell me in the comment section below which app will you prefer, and like and share this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of such videos.